Hello VPN lovers! Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Shadowsocks server and set it up on the Netmod VPN app for a fast and secure internet connection. This method is perfect for those looking to boost their browsing speed while keeping their online activities private and secure. Before we dive into the tutorial, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. Creating Shadowsocks server. First, we need to create a Shadowsocks server. Here's how to do it. Open your browser and search for the SSHocean website. From the search results, click on the official SSHocean link to reach the home page. Once you're on the home page, click the hamburger icon, the 3 horizontal lines in the upper right corner to expand the menu list. 3. In the menu, click on Services. A new window will pop up with several server options. From the list of servers, scroll down to find Shadowsocks under the SSH server options. You'll now see a page with different server locations. Pick your preferred location. On the server list page, ensure you select a server that is available and online. Once you've found a suitable server, click the Create button. On the server creation page, enter your desired username, complete the reCAPTCHA, and hit Create Now. After a few seconds, your Shadowsocks server account will be created. Make sure to copy the Shadowsocks TCP link or whichever version you prefer for future use. Now that we have our Shadowsocks server, let's set it up on Netmod VPN. First, make sure you have the latest version of the Netmod VPN app installed. If not, head over to the Play Store, search for Netmod VPN, and download the app. Once installed, open the app by clicking the Open button. On the app's home page, click the 3 dots in the upper right corner to open the options list. Select Import from Clipboard from the list. Make sure you've copied the server details from SSHocean beforehand. After selecting Import from Clipboard, the server details will automatically import and you'll see the server ready for use. Finally, click the Play button at the bottom to connect, and you're all set. Enjoy your fast and secure browsing experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.